Hazrat Abu Murad, a slave freed by Hani, the daughter of Abu Talib, narrates that he heard Hazrat Hani, the daughter of Abu Talib, say, "In the year of the conquest of Makkah, I visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and found him taking a bath while his daughter Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha had drawn a screen. I greeted him, so he sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired, 'Who is she?' I submitted, 'I am Hani, the daughter of Abu Talib.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Welcome, O Hani,' where he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had taken the bath. He got up to perform the prayer, wrapped up only in one garment. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had performed the prayer, I submitted, 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my brother on distaff side said, "You have given protection to so and so, son of Hubaira, whereas I am going to kill him." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "O Hani, we have given the protection whom you have given the protection." Hazrat Hani says, "It was forenoon then." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6158.